Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Have you ever found yourself on a particular web page whereby you have a particular edit, link, edit field, or button that is not well labeled? And such web page, you visit it frequently. Custom label edit is a feature that come with JAWS as a screen reader that you can use to relabel or to customize a particular edit links or edit fields on a particular web page or the full domain. Custom label edit, it's a good feature that you can use provided when you have a particular edit field that is not well labeled on a web page. Quite simple, very easy. Note, it can also be used in Microsoft Office Excel, but I would like to practicalize this more using the HTML page. And this time, I'll do that by going to the desktop list view, launching my Internet Explorer, and I would like to use the Facebook mobile platform by going to m.facebook.com and see if there are one or two places that we can adjust. So if you still have your Facebook open, you can do that. As for me, let's start by going to the desktop list view this time around and not using the round dialog. So you can go to your desktop list view, start menu D.
Windows D, desktop, folder view, list view, Internet Explorer 49 of 64.
So my cursor is already on Internet Explorer. As for you, you can press I until you hear Internet Explorer and you press enter, or you scroll up or down using your arrow keys until you hear Internet Explorer. So I'm going to press enter.
Enter, Internet Explorer.
Waiting for my web browser to load.
Page. Page has 3 landmarks, 21 headings and 56 links. Audio, escape.
So my Google page has opened, which is my home page. Remember I said for you to go to your home page, you can press Alt Home. That's that if you are doing something else on a particular website. But for now, I want to go to the address bar and I'm going to press Alt D to take my cursor to the address bar. Note, you can use F6 as well. It takes your cursor to the address bar. Alt D, D for Delta.
Alt D, new tab page. Address and search using ask.com edit -1.1.0.
So let me type in. You type in m.facebook.com. Note, the address bar that is reading to you is highlighted. So if you type in anything, it deletes what you have there before.
Enter.
So, waiting.
Facebook link graphic. Page has 1 landmark, 11 headings and 90 links. Facebook link graphic, Facebook logo search button. I
have to pause that, pressing the control key. Now, one thing is, let's go to the top of the page.
Facebook.
I, as someone who visits Facebook page very well, I mean frequently, I know there is different edit field on the home page of Facebook. Basically, you have 3 there for now. It is subjected to changes. Let's press E, which is the edit field.
Edit.
I hear the word edit, and it does not tell me what the edit field is meant for. Let's press E again.
Edit.
I hear edit, and I don't even know what the edit field stands for. Let's press E again.
Edit.
Which is the third one. I don't know what this edit field as well stands for. If I press E, it takes me to the first one.
Wrapping to top edit.
I hear the word wrapping to top edit. Note, the first edit field that is on top of this page is basically where we search for friends. But how can we label this edit field so that anytime we go there, just quickly tell us what the edit field is meant for? This is a function that custom label edit could do for us. For us to start, let's open what we call the JAWS manager by pressing Insert and F2, the functional key F2. Insert and F2.
Run JAWS manager dialog. List 1, list view. Custom highlight assign. 1 of 18.
So I can hear custom highlight assign. Let's scroll down with the down arrow key.
Custom label.
Can you hear custom label?
Custom label delete.
Custom label delete. That's if I want to delete.
Custom label delete all.
For now, I'll go back up to the custom label.
Custom label delete. Custom label.
So I'll use this custom label for now for me to label this particular edit field.
Enter. Facebook JAWS dialog. Custom label dialog. Enter a custom label for this item edit.
So it tells me I should enter a custom label edit for this item. So what I'm going to put there is search.
SEARCH. Search.
Let me just leave it like the word search. And I can press enter.
Enter.
Let me go to the top of the page now and see if that has worked.
Facebook.
Let me press letter E now.
Search edit.
I can hear the word search edit, which is not like that before. Let's go to the second one and see if it is going to tell us anything.
Edit.
I hear the word edit. Because I come to this page very well, I know this particular edit field is a place whereby I need to type in if I want to post anything on my timeline. I can change it and relabel it. So this time around, let's use another way rather than using the insert and F2. So another keystroke you can use is insert, control key, and your tab key. Insert, control, tab. The three of them together.
JAWS dialog. Custom label dialog. Enter a custom label for this item edit.
And automatically it takes you to an edit field telling you to type in. So for me, I'm going to change it to what's on your mind. That is, if I want to post anything, what's on your mind?
Double A-A-T apostrophe S what's O-N-Y-O-U-R-O-N-I-N-D.
I'm going to press enter.
Mind. Enter what's on your mind.
So that means I've relabeled this particular edit field as well.
Escape.
Let me go to the top of the page now again.
Facebook.
That's control home. Let me press E.
Search edit.
You can see now it tells me search edit. The first one I did. Second one,
what's on your mind edit.
What's on your mind edit, which is more better rather than hearing the word edit. I know if I press enter now, I can type in what's on my mind on Facebook. So go to the third one and try to do that. Let's see if you can label a link. So for example, let me go to where we have chats, which is Alt +5. I know the access key is Alt +5.
Alt 5, chat 13, Alt +5 link.
So that's a link. And I want to relabel it to something better, to probably who is online. I can still also label a link as well. Let me use insert control tab.
JAWS dialog, custom label dialog. Enter a custom label for this item edit.
So I can type who is online.
W-H-O apostrophe S who's space apostrophe space R-A-S-O-N-L-I-N-E.
I can press enter.
Online. Enter chat 13 Alt +5 link.
So automatically it changed.
Link notified. Link who is online Alt +5.
So it changed from chat. That means I have relabeled this particular link. So that's what custom label edit is all about. So let me go to my message area now.
Link notified. Link messages Alt +3.
Let me press enter.
Enter messages Alt +3 link. m.facebook.com messages Alt +3 link. Messages Alt +3 link. Graphic search. Teddy Boo heading link. Heading hi Teddy. Heading link Teddy Boo.
For example, let me press enter on this Teddy.
Enter new tab page. Teddy Boo heading link visited. Page has one.
I have to interrupt JAWS there. It has loaded that page. Let me press E now.
Edit.
I heard the word edit. Let me go to the top of the page again.
Teddy Boo.
I'll press E.
Search edit.
Which is the one I labeled before. Let me press E again.
Edit.
This second edit is the second place whereby I need to type in my message if I want to type to someone. And it's not well labeled. So I can still label this place as well as type in your message by pressing insert control tab.
JAWS dialog, custom label dialog. Enter a custom label for this item edit.
and I can type in your message. Can press enter.
Message, enter, type in your message.
So for example, let's go back to the top of the page now.
Teddy Boo.
Let's press E.
Search edit.
That's the first one. Second one.
Type in your message edit.
So if I press enter,
type in your message edit.
I can type in my message, and if I scroll down,
reply button.
I can go down there and reply. So this one features of
Escape.
Custom label edit. So you can relabel. Let me just quickly give you tips and notes, some things you need to understand. Sometimes you label a particular spot, that is a particular place on a web page, and if you open another web page within that same website, the custom label edit is not applicable. That quickly tells you that the website developer does not allow that feature on that particular web page. So please take note. That's custom label edit. Next, we will place marker.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.